Hello guys, and welcome to another Wizard Watch video. Today we're gonna make fun short video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace your insert bezel in your SKX or in your new Seiko 5, the SRPD. This is gonna be a fun video, and I will show you what tools we will need for this kind of job and how we will do it. So before we start, if you're new to my videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on, then you can get future updates about upcoming videos. So let's start. I will show you first the tool that we will need. Okay, so this is the tool that we will need. The first one is the watch case holder. I'll put the watch here and then it will hold the case. Then I will have a strong grip on the watch. Then I can open the bezel pretty easy. The next one is a masking tape to put on the watch to protect it from a scratch or hurting the case or something like this. The next one is thinner, as you see, is to clean the adhesive stick that will be on the bezel, and then we can clean it and everything. And of course the knife. The knife is to open the bezel and to take out the insert. So now we'll move to the next part. Okay guys, as you see now, I put the masking tape on the watch. Usually this is the spot where you take out the bezel. So after I put my protection on the case, now it's time to move to take out the bezel. Now I'll put the watch on the watch case holder, and the next stage we will take out the bezel. Okay, next stage is to take the bezel insert out. As you see, I put the watch on the case holder, and the case holder is being holding by a vice grip. Then I can have strong grip on the watch and I can take the bezel insert pretty easy. So now I will take the bezel insert. Might be fast and might take some time. And here we go. Now we took the bezel insert out. Now the next stage is to take out the insert from the bezel, and then we will put the new one. Okay, and now we take the old insert out and put and clean it, everything. I just want to show you what's going on inside the bezel. Look, all this dirt. It's pretty disgusting. But after I will remove the insert and after I remove this insert, I will clean that, and I will clean it also with the thinner to remove the adhesive tape. And then after it will be super clean, we will put the new insert. And as you see, we took the old one. Here we have the adhesive tape. Now, where is that loom pip? She's somewhere here, I can't find it. Okay, now next stage we will clean everything, and then we get back here. Okay, and here we are after the cleaning. As you see, the bezel been cleaned up pretty well. Also, I cleaned from the inside. I'm sorry guys, but I couldn't show on camera how I put back the bezel. It was almost impossible because I had to use strong amount of force, but I will show you how I did it. Let's move the things aside. You have two methods to use it. You just put the bezel and you press it really hard with your fingers, or if you cannot do it, you just put the case like this on the table and you press it really hard. This method didn't work with my SKX, I don't know why, so I had to use some piece of wood. If you see, I still have the circle mark of the case here. I just did it like this. Put the watch here, put that piece of wood here, and again I use strong amount of force and press it really hard, and then the bezel snap back to the case. And as you see, everything works really well. Bezel spin, everything fine. And now we can put the insert. Here our insert. I will remove that stick and then we put it back. I will try my best to show it on camera. So the next stage, it will be to put the insert. Okay, now as I said, we'll put the insert. I will remove that stick first. And we remove it. As you see, here we have the adhesive stick. Now we'll put it on the case and align it. Try align it perfectly. Okay, now it's perfect. Now we'll put back the strap, clean the watch a little bit, and then we get back here. Okay guys, after I clean the watch, put the strap back and everything, here are final results. Our ceramic loom insert bezel. Now we'll close off the light and give the final test. Okay guys, this is our final test. Now let's see the loom. And boom, crazy and amazing. As you see, now we have ceramic loom bezel on our SKX 013. Upgrade the look and improve the durability of the watch, and also make it really cool. As you see, the room is not totally dark, but we can see the loom very well. Very nice. So I will turn on the lights now. Okay guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. As you saw, we replaced today the insert bezel in the Seiko SKX 013, my 013. I bought the insert from Namuki, as you see, namukimods.com. This insert cost me $40, and as you see, we get nice stickers also with the insert. This also a sticker. Here the aluminum insert bezel, and also I found the pip. If you see, it's here. I have nothing to do with that, but I didn't understand where is that pip when I removed the insert, so now I found that. And as you see, the ceramic bezel improved the look and the durability of the watch. It's really nice. Also, the loom now is really strong because the insert is loom, the indices, the hands, everything in this watch loom. So it's make it really cool, and also it's improved the durability of the watch. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you can, like and subscribe to this channel, it will help a lot. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.